Hello guys and welcome to Guess the Output series in Python programming by Amul's Academy. Here I will give you a program. You need to guess the output of that program. Later we'll execute that program and I'll explain you the working of that program. So here is the program. You need to pause this video and try to guess the output of this program. Alright, I hope now you have your answer. So now we'll execute this program and we'll check whether you got the correct answer or not. So the answer of this program is 10. If you got the same answer, then you know how this program works. If not, I will explain you the working of this program now. So here we took a dictionary. A is a dictionary. Initially it is an empty dictionary. Next we'll enter the values and keys for that dictionary. Here 1 is the key and value is 1. Here this is the another key and value is 2. And here we are modifying the value of the key 1. Next here this is another key, and here instead of mentioning the value directly we are using this expression. Okay, the key of dictionary is 1 and value is 1, and another key is a string 1 and value is 2. Here we are modifying the key 1, so a of 1 is nothing but the value 1. So 1 plus 2 3, so a of 1, the value of key 1 becomes 3. And here this is the another key and its value is a of 1, that is nothing but 2 plus 3, so 5. Okay, so if we print that, we can see the dictionary. So here we can see the dictionary. 1, key is 1, value is 3, key is string 1, value is 2, key is a, value is 5. Next, in this part, we are taking a variable called count and I'll initialize that variable to 0. I'll assign value 0 to count. Next here we can see the for loop. So we are applying the for loop on the dictionary. So there are multiple ways to iterate over a dictionary in Python. But here we are iterating through all keys. In the for loop body we can see count is equal to count plus a of I. This expression is equal to count plus a of I. So here initially count will be 0 and a of I. Dictionary is an unordered collection of data, so the order of data may vary, but if we take the dictionary is in this order, then I becomes 1, so it will access the value present in that is 3. So count is initially 0 plus a of I, that is a of 1, so 0 plus 3, so count becomes 3. Next again control goes to the for loop. Now I will become the next key. So if I take that is 1, then it will access the value 2. So now count value is 3 and a of I value will be 2. So 3 plus 2 5. So count becomes 5. Again control goes to the for loop and I will be the next key. So the next key is a. So it will execute this statement. Count value is 5 and a of I is nothing but 5. So 5 plus 5 10. So count becomes 10. Again control goes to the for loop, but all the iterations are done, so it will come out of this loop and it will print count, that is 10. That's why we got the output as 10. So instead of count, if I print, it will print all the values of the keys. Okay, here we can see 3 2 5. Okay, so this is about this program. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.